Hi, Rachel.
Hello, Matt, and welcome to TRP Today.
Today, we are going to discuss TRP brake shoes.
TRP brake shoes have a proven reputation for quality, durability, and easy installation.
Rachel, did you know there are 8 lining choices within the TRP brake shoe lineup, including aftermarket RSD? Each lining is specifically formulated by application and to meet the FMVSS 121 stopping requirements.
I did, and they've expanded the product offering to include even more brake sizes, such as 4711, 4720, and several others. You can purchase them as new or remanufactured and as kits or individual shoes. All remanufactured shoes are going to ensure each shoe meets the original geometry. Matt, did you know that because brake shoes are specific to the manufacturer and that friction should be tailored to your application, it can be challenging to find the right brake shoe kit for your vehicle?
Yes, I did. That's why I use trpparts.com. There you can search by brake size and choose from available frictions.
Additionally, you can find literature to learn about the remanufacturing process, available frictions, and find the application guide at trpparts.com or on DealerNet. You can access the TRP site from your desktop computer, or if you're on the road, you can go to trpparts.com on any mobile device.
And that's it for TRP today.
See you next time.